discovery of the new strain of coronavirus in Britain, which led to tightening antivirus measures in some areas of London, sparked terror in the old continent, as several countries rushed to stop trips with Britain, while other countries are considering taking the same measure. According to a statement issued by the Élysée, French President Emmanuel Macron discussed with German Chancellor Angela Merkel, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and European Council President Charles Michel, the new strain of coronavirus that is spreading in the United Kingdom, according to what the Élysée reported. On the other hand, Spain asked Brussels for a coordinated response of the European Union regarding the suspension of flights from the United Kingdom, after the discovery of a new strain of coronavirus, according to what the Spanish government announced. The goal is to protect the rights of European citizens by coordinating and avoiding taking unilateral measures, the government said in a statement. And banned all of the Netherlands, Italy, and Belgium receiving flights carrying passengers from Britain, starting from Sunday. In a statement, the Dutch government announced that it had taken a precautionary decision to ban flights from the United Kingdom, adding that the issue of trips in other means of transport is still under discussion. An infectious strain of the COVID-19 virus is spreading in the United Kingdom. It is believed to spread more easily, faster, and difficult to detect, the Dutch Ministry of Health said in a statement. The Ministry of Health statement indicated that the Dutch Public Health Authority recommends tightening measures aimed at preventing the strain of the virus from entering the United Kingdom, through restricting and controlling the movement of passengers coming from Britain. Belgium, in turn, suspended flights and trains from Britain, starting from midday on Sunday. In a statement to Belgian television, Prime Minister Alexander De Croo announced that the suspension period will be at least 24 hours, and includes flights and Eurostar train flights departing from London. Italy followed the same path and suspended flights from the United Kingdom due to the emergence of the new corona strain. Was quoted by the French news agency Agence France Presse, according to a government source, that Germany will start at midnight on Sunday suspending flights with Britain. The agency quoted a spokesman for Chancellor Angela Merkel earlier that Germany would limit the number of trips with Britain and South Africa, following the emergence of a new strain of corona in the two countries. In a statement, the spokesman said that specific rules in this regard are being finalized, noting that Berlin is communicating in this file with its European partners, according to what a source in the Ministry of Health said to Agence France Presse. France joined the list, and the Prime Minister's office announced, in a statement, that all arrivals from the United Kingdom were banned for 48 hours, starting at midnight on Sunday, and that his country is working on a new testing system in cooperation with European Union partners, before reopening the borders with Britain. For its part, the World Health Organization called on its members in Europe to strengthen their restrictions against the background of the emergence of a new strain of coronavirus, especially with the registration of a few cases of infection with the new strain, including 9 in Denmark and 1 in each of the Netherlands and Australia, according to the World Health Organization. The organization talked about initial indications that the infection of the strain may be greater, as well as that it may affect the effectiveness of some diagnostic methods. She explained that there is no evidence of a change in the severity of the virus, although this issue is still being researched. A spokeswoman for the organization's branch in Europe told AFP that the organization will provide more information when it has a clearer vision of the characteristics of this strain. Earlier Sunday, British Health Minister Matt Hancock announced that the new, stricter restrictions imposed in London and the southeast of England may last for some time, and admitted that it was very difficult to control the new strain of coronavirus that appeared in the country. In response to a question whether those living under strict level 4 restrictions should expect them to continue for some time, Hancock said, "We really need to control the situation. We have a long way to go to deal with it, and basically we have to distribute the vaccine to keep people safe. Given the rapid spread of this new strain, it will be very difficult to keep it under control until we distribute the vaccine," he added. The discovery of the new strain of coronavirus in Britain, which led to tightening antivirus measures in some areas of London, sparked terror in the old continent, as several countries rushed to stop trips with Britain, while other countries are considering taking the same measure. According to a statement issued by the Élysée, French President Emmanuel Macron discussed with German Chancellor Angela Merkel, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and European Council President Charles Michel, the new strain of coronavirus that is spreading in the United Kingdom, according to what the Élysée reported. On the other hand, Spain asked Brussels for a coordinated response of the European Union.